Hey, what's up guys? This is Cole with CJC Off-Road. Today we have a different kind of build for you guys. This is a Ram 1500. We were actually putting this truck together a couple weeks ago in the shop, and it looked so good that we actually requested the owner bring the truck back to us so we could film it for you guys. This, in my opinion, is my favorite Ram 1500 to come out of our shop so far. And I think as you guys can see, the results speak for themselves. What we have on this truck is Carli's Ram 1500 Performance 2.5 system. This system is available whether your Ram 1500 is a Rebel or a non-Rebel. This is unique to Carli in that they custom tailor components in these systems based on the kind of truck that you have. This actually starts from the ground up with a custom front and rear King 2.5 shock package. The front shocks are King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers. Rear shocks, King 2.5 piggyback shocks. Now you'll notice other lift kits on the market have reservoir shocks, right? Some might even say King shocks. These are not the same as those. Carli actually custom builds these shocks to maximize the potential both on and off-road for what these trucks are capable of. So these shocks actually have more travel than the typical OEM King shock you'll see for these. And this is basically why we feel this Carli system is the absolute best thing on the market for these trucks. To supplement the capability that these shocks offer, Carli actually custom tailored their fabricated upper arms using high-end uniballs to allow the front end to travel as much as these shocks will allow for. This is something that's also unique to this system. Uses custom front brake lines as well. The stock brake lines are not long enough for the amount of travel this system cycles up front. So fortunately, Carli engineered these brake lines to support that amount of travel. Out back, Carli uses custom rear coil springs designed to both improve on-road ride quality and off-road ride quality. And unique to these Carli systems, as I mentioned, these rear springs are actually tailored to your particular truck. So you'll see a Ram 1500 option, they have a Ram Rebel option, and they actually have an HD option for overland setups or similar things. This is something that only Carli does on the market right now, and this is why we really like these systems on these trucks. You'll find the rear sway bar links as well. This is actually mandatory with the amount of travel these systems cycle. So nothing else on the market quite encapsulates a full performance bolt-on system quite the way that this Carli system does, in our opinion. This is the best of the best. Whether your truck's a Rebel, whether it's a regular Ram 1500, these 1500 systems work really well. And you'll notice with these King shocks, by the way, these are fully custom tuned. So what I mean is Carli actually uses custom pistons in these shocks, custom shim stacks, and they actually spent several months tuning just how this suspension system rides, basically to maximize not only how the truck performs off-road, but how it rides on-road, right? So Carli recognizes the fact that most of these trucks are daily drivers that occasionally go off-road, and these systems are tuned accordingly. And in our opinion, this is about as close as you can take your regular Ram Rebel model and make it perform or ride more similar to what you'd expect of, say, a Ford Raptor or similar. These systems will allow for 35-inch tire fitment. What we have on this particular truck is method 18x9 NVs with -12 offset. With how beefy and how heavy duty these upper arms are in these Carli systems, they actually require this -12 offset. Fortunately, there are a lot of really cool options on aftermarket wheels that come in these offsets. In our opinion, this is a great all-around looking and performing wheel, the Method NV. We paired these Method NVs with BFG KO2 all-terrain, 35, 12.5, 18 tires. In our opinion, this is a perfect size for this setup. It required zero trimming, so out of the box, turnkey. This truck's on 35s, performing really well. Not only off-road, right? These work really well, these BFGs for the half tons, but on-road, this is a very soft riding setup in our opinion. So me being a 2500 guy, this is not normally a truck that, I've ever considered for a build, but after seeing this, driving it, riding in it, I'm actually really impressed. So this, out of the, bolt-on suspension system, simple 35-inch wheel and tire combination, no trimming. This thing, looks and performs, very similar, in my opinion, to what a Ford Raptor does. But you get, the really nice Ram modern platform that they have under these trucks. You get the nice interior that Ram offers, a lot of the benefits that come with these Rams, as well as the engine options. So for the time being, you can actually order a Ram 1500 with the EcoDiesel engine. So you combine the mileage and, and the drivability of an EcoDiesel with, nice 35-inch tire off-road package, makes for a really cool daily driver truck. And again, not something that was ever on my radar previously, but I would totally drive this truck. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're happy to provide any kind of answers or recommendations for your build. A lot more content upcoming, so feel free to subscribe, and thanks again for watching.